Creating a MailerLite account is easy and free. Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. Visit the MailerLite website. Go to MailerLite's homepage. Click Sign Up. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your details. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account for faster registration. Verify your email. After entering your details, MailerLite will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Set up your account. Once verified, you'll be asked to fill out some basic information about your business or website, such as your company name, website URL, and the type of emails you plan to send. Choose your plan. MailerLite offers a free plan with limited features and a variety of paid plans. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Start using MailerLite. After completing the setup, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can create campaigns, set up forms, and manage your subscribers.